The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market slump in May 2022. The algo token was exchanging around $0.779 when the Luna disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost forcefully tumbled to $0.371 in a couple of days. After some solidification, the cost additionally tumbled to $0.2795 that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of $0.3559.15. According to our Algorand cost forecast, the coin will find opportunity to recuperate from this destruction before it can turn productive. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. The ongoing cost of Algorand is $0.238. According to our algo coin cost expectation, it is gauged that the greatest cost for the coin might be around 50 cents, with a base cost of $0.2. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. When it is 2025, our algo expectation recommends that the coin could have arrived at a greatest worth of 97 cents. Simultaneously, the base cost may be around 77 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. Assuming the ongoing energy proceeds and the algo crypto can snatch consideration, it might cross the $2 mark continuously 2030. Our Algorand conjecture shows that the most extreme cost might be $2.5 with a base cost of $2.05. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Macaulay and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and financial experts, zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the exciting modern lifestyle. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely adaptable. Subsequently, they begat the advantage of utilizing confirmation of stake-side chains associated with the root chain. Here every single individual chain manages its autonomous blockchain framework with its agreement instrument and block validators and make more KID chains of its own. Algorand, the algo token. Algorand Organizations Group has created interface libraries that will be an innovator. The organization likewise brought a one-of-a-kind token algo that is presently a significant hit at the famous trades, coordinating the speed with other digital forms of money. Vantage Algo, the tremendous potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the check of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments, with the most minimal charges. Algorand's shrewd agreements, ASC1s, are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be sure that the program ran without mistake and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, conclusion, security, and cost viability. ASC1s can naturally uphold custom principles and rationale, from basically characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. ASC1s are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language, greenish-blue, and Python, a Python language restricting. AlgoCoin is a digital money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary forms, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will quite often send and get installments in their ideal money by means of Algorand shrewd agreements, as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Most recent news on Algorand organization. A ton of the things in the crypto market rely upon the moving news and feelings of the dealers and financial backers. Thus, watching out for what's going on in the crypto world becomes crucial. Algorand coin has seen a great deal of acknowledgement in the ongoing year. One of the top organizations is among FIFA and Algorand. The Algorand organization will turn into the authority blockchain of FIFA. In this organization, Algorand will help FIFA in fostering the advanced resources system, while FIFA will give sponsorship resources. El Salvador has additionally collaborated with Algorand to make Blockchain Foundation. Another significant organization is among Algorand and Symbol. With this combination, Algorand will have a security cooperate with the BTP joining. This will assist the Algorand with systems administration be more assorted and dynamic. In addition to that, the aeronautics organization Air Europa has reported that it will team up with Algorand. Algorand blockchain will be utilized to mint Air Europa's NFTs. Travelx will likewise be important for this joint effort and assist with circulating Europa span the actual transportation world with the blockchain. This will make Air Europa the very first carrier to utilize blockchain for stock circulation, and the executives' financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.7 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some union, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The algo value attempted to arrive at a similar level, again threefold, however fizzled. Before the cost could recover energy, the whole crypto market saw an accident, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upturn. A much of the time noticed quality of Algorand projection is that it has shown the most unpredictable and fluctuating conduct like other digital currencies. The brain science of clients incredibly drives the crypto market opinions. Remembering this, beneath are the Algorand cost expectations for coming years. Algorand value forecast 2023. As per Algorand expectation 2023, with any progressions in strategies and guidelines, Algorand, algo, may have its portion of dim days at its cost, showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost estimate, the coin could cruise tranquilly around 35 cents, with a greatest cost of 50 cents and least cost of $0.2, making it not fall in cost, but rather play reliably. Algorand value expectation 2024. Assuming Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and basics, the algo coin could reflect huge development in the impending years. It wouldn't be a distortion to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 65 cents. Which is plus 170.83% to the most recent costs. Sometime, however, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and late reach. In view of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 45 cents. Algorand value forecast 2025. Algorand has proactively embraced the POS component and subsequently has huge development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really brilliant for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment is normal, and algo exchanges green for the period. The cost could come to the 97 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand value expectation 2026. Having seen a gigantic DApp reception in the past, push the cost of Algorand, algo. The organization is very famous, with various ventures based on it. Given the headways are kept up with, the Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a most extreme cost of $1.05. Which is plus 337.5% of the Algorand cost today. Algorand value expectation 2027. With organizations and local area subsidizing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand, algo, is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.25, which is plus 420% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand gauge, however clearly practical, instead of expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost expectations, the base cost of the coin might be around 90 cents. Algorand value forecast 2028. In view of the expectations, the algo coin might have a base cost of $1, with a most extreme cost of $1.5 for the year 2028. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token is supposed to be around $1.